Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Daily TV. How are you today? Today, I am here with Mia, and today we are going to talk about going to the doctor.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Mia, do you like going to the doctor?
Not really. I only go when I need to.
Me too. Most people do not enjoy going to the doctor.
Yes, but doctors help us stay healthy.
That is true. Doctors are very important.
Yes, they help people feel better.
When was the last time you visited a doctor?
About 3 months ago,
Why did you go?
I had a bad cold.
Oh no. Were you very sick?
I was tired and had a sore throat.
That does not sound fun.
No, it was not. Let's learn a useful word. Appointment. Good idea.
An appointment is a planned meeting with a doctor.
Example, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow.
Very good.
Many people make appointments by phone.
Yes. Or online.
Technology makes it easy.
Imagine that you need to see a doctor. What do you do first?
First, I call the clinic.
Good.
Then, I ask for an appointment.
Let's practice a useful sentence.
Okay,
I would like to make an appointment.
very useful.
Beginners can use this sentence in real life.
Yes, it is simple and polite.
What information does the clinic usually ask for?
They ask for my name.
Yes.
They also ask for my phone number.
Correct.
Sometimes they ask why I need to see a doctor.
That makes sense.
The doctor wants to know the problem.
Let's learn another useful word. Symptom.
Symptom is an important word.
A symptom is a sign that you are sick.
Example, a cough is a symptom.
A fever is also a symptom.
A headache can be a symptom too.
Great examples.
Thank you.
Have you ever had a fever?
Yes, many times.
What do you usually do?
I drink water and rest.
Rest is important.
Yes, the body needs time to recover.
Let's talk about common symptoms.
Okay,
What is a headache?
a headache is pain in your head.
Good explanation.
Many people get headaches sometimes.
What is a cough?
A cough is when air comes out of your throat quickly.
Good.
People often cough when they have a cold.
What is a sore throat?
A sore throat means your throat hurts.
Excellent.
These are common health problems.
Let's practice a short conversation.
Great idea.
Doctor, what is the problem?
Patient, I have a headache.
Doctor, how long have you had it?
Patient, for 2 days.
Very good.
That conversation is easy and useful.
Yes, beginners can practice it.
Repetition helps learning.
I agree.
Jason, do you get sick often?
Not very often.
That is good.
I try to eat healthy food.
Healthy habits are important.
Yes, they help prevent illness.
Do you exercise?
Yes, a few times each week.
Exercise is good for the body.
And for the mind.
That is true.
Let's learn another useful sentence.
Okay,
I do not feel well.
very useful.
People can say it when they are sick.
Example, I do not feel well today.
Perfect example.
Thank you.
What about you, listeners?
Have you ever visited a doctor because of a cold?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear from you.
Let's continue talking about health.
Great.
When you visit the doctor, do you feel nervous?
Sometimes.
Why?
Because I do not know what the doctor will say.
That is understandable.
But doctors are there to help.
Exactly.
Most doctors are kind and professional.
That makes patients feel comfortable.
Yes, it does.
We learned many useful words today.
Appointment, symptom, headache, cough, and sore throat.
Great job, everyone.
Keep listening and practicing English every day.
Thank you, Mia. Let's continue our conversation.
Yes, let's talk more about visiting the doctor.
When you arrive at a clinic, what do you do first?
First, I go to the reception desk.
Good.
Then I tell the receptionist my name.
The receptionist helps patients check in.
Yes, that is their job.
Let's learn a new word. Receptionist.
A receptionist is a person who welcomes visitors and patients.
Example, the receptionist helped me today.
Very useful word.
What does the receptionist usually ask?
They ask for my name and appointment time.
Correct.
Sometimes they ask for my health card.
Yes, that is common.
Then I sit and wait.
In the waiting room.
Exactly.
Let's learn another useful word. Waiting room.
A waiting room is a place where patients wait before seeing the doctor.
Example, there were many people in the waiting room.
Good example.
Do you like waiting?
Not really.
Me neither.
Sometimes the wait is long.
That can be frustrating.
Yes, but I understand the doctors are busy.
That is true.
Many patients need help.
What do you do while waiting?
I usually look at my phone.
Me too.
Sometimes I read a magazine.
Reading helps pass the time.
Yes, it does.
Then what happens?
A nurse calls my name.
Let's learn the word nurse.
A nurse helps care for patients.
Nurses are very important.
Yes, they work hard.
What does the nurse do?
The nurse asks questions.
Such as, how do you feel? Good.
What symptoms do you have?
Very common question.
They may also check my weight.
And your height.
Yes.
Sometimes they check blood pressure.
That is important.
Do you know what blood pressure is?
It shows how hard the blood pushes through the body.
Good explanation.
Thank you.
Let's practice a doctor conversation.
Great idea.
Doctor. Hello. How can I help you today?
Patient. I do not feel well.
Doctor. What seems to be the problem?
Patient. I have a headache and a cough.
Doctor. How long have you had these symptoms?
For 3 days.
Doctor. Do you have a fever?
Yes, a small fever.
Excellent practice.
Very useful for beginners.
Have you ever had the flu?
Yes, once.
Was it serious?
No, but I felt very tired.
The flu can make people feel weak.
Yes, I stayed home for several days.
Rest is important when you are sick.
And drinking water, too.
Absolutely.
Water helps the body.
Let's learn another useful sentence.
Okay,
I have a fever.
simple and useful.
Another one.
Go ahead.
My throat hurts.
Very common sentence.
One more.
Okay,
I have been coughing all day.
excellent.
These sentences help patients explain their problems.
Yes, communication is important.
Do you take medicine when you are sick?
Sometimes.
Only when necessary?
Yes,
Doctors often recommend medicine.
medicine can help people recover.
Let's learn the word prescription.
Good idea.
A prescription is a document from a doctor for medicine.
Example: the doctor gave me a prescription.
Very useful vocabulary.
Yes.
After the doctor visit, where do many people go?
To the pharmacy.
Correct.
They take their prescription there.
Let's learn the word pharmacy.
A pharmacy is a place where people get medicine.
Example: I went to the pharmacy after my appointment.
Good example.
Have you ever spoken with a pharmacist?
Yes, many times.
Pharmacists are helpful.
They explain how to take medicine.
That is important.
Very important.
Let's practice another short conversation.
Okay.
Pharmacist. Hello, how can I help you?
Customer, I am here to pick up my prescription.
Pharmacist. Can I have your name, please?
My name is Mia.
Pharmacist. Your medicine will be ready soon.
Nice and simple.
Easy English for everyday life.
Exactly.
What do you do to stay healthy?
I try to sleep 8 hours every night.
Good habit.
I also drink plenty of water.
Excellent.
And I eat fruits and vegetables.
Healthy food is important.
Yes, it helps the body stay strong.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk every day.
Walking is a great exercise.
It is simple and free.
Very true.
What about you, Jason?
I like riding my bicycle.
That sounds fun.
It is.
Exercise can prevent some health problems.
Yes, doctors often recommend regular exercise.
Healthy habits make a big difference.
What about you, listeners?
How do you stay healthy?
Do you exercise every week?
Tell us in the comments.
We would love to know.
Learning English and staying healthy are both important,
I completely agree.
and both require practice every day.
Very true.
Small steps can lead to big results.
That is a great message.
Thank you.